Top of the review time for you, my friends. As-Salaam-Alaykum. Hope you are all well and safe wherever you are watching this video. If you are new to my channel, then welcome, and those who are returning, welcome back. Welcome. Due to my health, I find difficult to reach the power socket to turn on or off the appliances are powered. I used to use these chunky ones with a remote for a very long time. Since I installed few products from the company called Ring, I wanted to get those can be integrated so I won't have to look for remote controls all the time. We got too many remotes as it is. While researching, I came across these power sockets that I'm going to talk to you about. These ones you can control from your mobile phone using the app, or even better via Alexa. I got the Echo 5 so I can use with voice command when needed. These are called TAPO Smart Plug with energy monitoring capability. So let's get into it. Disclaimer, my friends, just to be clear that this isn't a sponsored video, nor anyone asked me to do this video. I bought the item myself for my own money, so anything I will say are my own opinion from what I found in the box along and I've been using it for a long time, because for long means for a fair bit. So let's talk about it. As I said, I'm already using them. It's empty now. So what you get in the box is no points of opening it. So when you open the box for the first time, you will get one of these smart plug and instruction manual. That's it. Nothing else in there. Obviously in that box you can buy one or buy 4 or 5, whatever. I bought it 4 because I got so many places which connected. So that's how it is. So what actually is, you can instantly turn connected devices on or off wherever you are through the TAPO app. So you have to download the app, you have to go to their website, or from the whatever the app store you are using. And these are actually, the company is actually TP-Link, which is very good. I am not sponsored, as I said. So you can preset a schedule. You can preset a schedule to automatically manage devices connected to the socket. You can create countdown timer list for connected electronics. You can manage the smart plug with voice commands via Amazon Alexa or the Google Assistant. Automatically, you can turn the devices on or off at different time to give the appearance that someone is at home. Because of its size, as you can see, is so small, it avoids blocking adjacent sockets. So it doesn't make any difference comparing this one. Footprint is big. So yeah, and setup is very quickly and easily through the free app. As I said, can be downloaded via the stores you are using, something like Apple Store or Play Store. So you don't need no hub or anything. The precautions and the advices, what they said advices are, these are only can be used indoors. The maximum output is 13 amp, and please make sure to avoid plugging in appliances with a motor or compressor higher than 1/6 HP, such as air conditioner. Just check the motor compressor rating on the appliances or consult their support team. EV charging is not supported. So electronic vehicle is not supported. because it typically requires higher power and its charging current exceeds the rated current of this plug.
Once you go to your app store, look for TAPO. Not TAPO. TAPO would be better. And you get this. So you can see it's already been loaded. So what I do, if I open it, you come to this screen. Now what you do is add from the right top hand corner, add a device, and you go to the plug. Now my one I know is P100. Just double check. So my one is P110, which is this one. So what you need to do is you have to connect the device to your power socket, and once you do that, it will tell you if it's a green light flashing. So already orange and green. So now you go to your Wi-Fi setting. Basically you go to your setting, you go to your open Wi-Fi, TAPO plug D721D, connect that, and now it's connected. So now it automatically, as you can see, straight away it's trying to talking to the device. It's found it. That's it. And now searching for Wi-Fi network for so you go to the setting and put your Wi-Fi, and now it's connected to my network. There you go. So I just put Smart Plug 1. Okay. Next, I'll go to my Citadel, which is my whole network, and I keep that as a plug. Next, let's check firmware. You need to check quickly firmware. Update now. It's updating. It takes a few seconds. I just heard that noise. It's just sounds good. All done. And there it is, Smart Plug. If you click that, it will turn off. Click that, turn on. So that's how you turn it off. What you can do is go there and you can device share. You can schedule or timer or away mode, everything. So you can select from down there. All the options are there, and it will tell you everything that how much you're using your electricity, which is today, this month, and bill this month. If you set up for the price rate, power, everything will tell you up there. So there it is. Thank you very much. I hope this is useful. Please let me know if anything you need to know in the comment section below. Thank you. Now get back to video.
So my friend, that's for now. Click the bell icon and don't forget to choose all, so you will be notified as soon as I upload my next project or video. Please consider subscribing my channel if you haven't already. As you know, it won't cost you anything but helps me a lot and to my channel. I won't say to smash it, but hit the like button in 2024 style. Share the video if your family or if yourself wants to have one of these, might like to get one like this. I will put the link in the description. Let me know if you have any question about this product in the comment section below. I will positively try to answer any of your questions, or at least point you to correct direction for you to find out those answers in depth. If you find anything within any of my contents or channel that might need improving, please let me know in the comment section below. You can find me in various media and on my website. and all the links for them are in the description below. And I would like to take the opportunity to thank you all for your support by subscribing my channel, as those make a huge difference to my channel, and to look forward to produce more contents. Please look after yourself and each other and stay safe wherever you all may be. Remember, life is short, so live long and prosper. May Allah Ta'ala bless you with all the happiness, joy, prosperity, stability, and a long healthy life. Stay tuned, and I will see you all in my next one. Next one. Allah Hafiz.